What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY face mask out of a t-shirt. All you need is a t-shirt and a pair of scissors and possibly a coffee filter if you don't own one of the N95 masks. Of course the coffee filter isn't CDC approved, but it's better than nothing. This could be a really good tutorial for people who break out when they wear that mask, for people who only have one like me. The masks that I make, they serve as a barrier between my face and the N95 mask. That way it doesn't break out my skin, bump me up, but it still serves as a barrier between me and COVID-19. So basically it's like a glove that I put my N95 inside of. But some people do not have N95, some people can't afford them, and the people who can have ordered them, but as we all know, they are in short supply. So we gotta do what we gotta do and protect ourselves however we can. Like I said, it's not foolproof and it's not necessarily CDC approved. It's not necessarily used by surgeons, but if you're social distancing, it should do the trick on a trip to the grocery store or wherever you gotta go. First thing you do is cut off the bottom of the t-shirt, one large portion and two strip portions. The large portion should be about 8 inches tall if you're an adult, 6 for a teenager, and 4 for children. Stretch out the strip portion, you just pull each side and it'll make this little shoestring type strip. You're gonna use that to tie the mask along your neck and head. You just lay it here about 4 inches away from the edges. And the next thing you're gonna do, this is almost done, is insert the coffee filter. What you wanna do is spread out the filter so it covers a good amount of cloth. That way it will cover your mouth and nose. And simply flip the left side and the right side of the mask over the coffee filter. Let them overlap in the middle and you are done. After that, to put it on, I suggest tying a bow on the bottom so it doesn't slide off your face. As you can see, the filter is inside of our little makeshift mask. You just put it on your face and tie it behind your head to start. As you can see, it might slide, but that bow is going to keep it in place long enough for you to get that top tie done. Undo the bottom tie and simply pull those strings and it will cinch up on the sides, just like a real mask. After that, you just tie it behind your neck or your head, whatever is comfortable, and you are done. Ta-da! Really fast, really easy. Bam. If you happen to own a sewing machine or a needle and thread, this next mask is a little bit more, I guess, polished. What you're gonna do is take that bottom piece of the t-shirt, line up the strings, put the filter on the right side of the strip, and then fold it over like so. Basically, you're making the same mask, but you're going to seal up the sides and the bottom with the needle and thread or sewing machine. Make sure you leave slots for the strips to go through at the bottom. And if you want, you can create a seam at the top like I have here. Just flip it inside out and you should see seams that look like this along your mask, the top and the bottom. But like I said, you're gonna leave holes in the left and right corner on the bottom so you can pull the strings through when you're done sewing the mask. Flip it back inside out, find the hole and insert the string. Then you just pull it through the bottom. You'll do this on both sides. You can insert your coffee filter at this point or your N95 mask, whichever one you prefer. All right, if you happen to own an N95 like I do and you don't like it against your skin, these masks work great as barriers. They'll save your skin, but you'll also be safe with the N95 on the inside. The cool thing about these DIY masks is that you can make them match your outfits if you like, or not, whatever. But if you're kind of into the whole fashion thing like me, it comes in handy. Thanks for watching my tutorial and have a great day. Stay safe out there, guys.